And this will be a short video that shows you how to embed snippets of code into a website or blog for the APN program. So the way we've set the APN program up is we give you tools that create the snippets of code that you need. So the tools do that work for you. Then you go to your website administrative tool and you go in and you add those snippets of code to your site or your blog, wherever you want those promotions to occur. This is the site we use for demonstration purposes, and you can see I've got a multitude of promotions here on each tab. I've got some kind of promotion. And the way those promotions operate on this tab or on these sites is because there's a snippet of code inserted on these pages that make this work. So how do you get those snippets of code in there? The first one we'll look at is the actual site that I use for demonstration purposes, this one. And I edit this site with a web administrative tool from Zoho, zohosites.com. And this lets me go in and add and subtract and modify the content on these pages, be it adding images, adding text, whatever. And in every website administrative tool, there is a widget or some opportunity for you to add snippets of code on a page. Usually you'll follow something that has the word embed on it. So look for a widget or a tool or a feature that references the word embed. For example, let's first go get a snippet of code using one of our tools, the Chrome extension. I have navigated already to the shop.com page for the OPC3 Choose. I'll use the web extension, Chrome extension, to get a snippet of code. I'll copy that. And then I'll come back to my editor. And remember, this is what I want to use to embed a snippet of code. And I'm going to put it at the bottom of the page. So I'm going to drag this down here to the bottom of this page. And it usually will present me with a window to paste my code into. And then that's all there is to it. And you can see it's starting to show. There's that promotion that I just copied from here. It's that simple. Now when I publish this page, it'll show up on the website to all of my visitors. It's that simple. Again, it's in almost every web administrative platform. Every one I've used has something called embed. That's the key word you look for, is embed. And that gives you the opportunity to paste these snippets of code in. This is true with WordPress, with Wix, with Squarespace. Actually, I have a Squarespace editor open right here for a local yoga studio here near Kernersville or near Greensboro. And if I go to a particular page while I'm in the Squarespace editor, and if I wanted to edit this page, then now I've got the page open for editing, and this is where I see the plus sign to give me options for things I can embed on the page. And there's that word again, embed. So if I drag this down to wherever I want to put the promotion, let's say at the bottom of the page, it prompts me, and there's another window to paste in my snippet of code. And that's all there is to it. So again, almost every website administrative tool has something that lets you paste a snippet of codes in. And usually you can find it by looking for the word embed in the list of widgets that you can drop on a page. Okay, so that's how you get the snippets of code that are produced from the APN tools and put them on your website or blog, wherever you want them to be, so that your site now is promoting the product of your choice to all of your visitors. Thanks for watching this short video, and keep your eyes open for other APN